everybody. Um I'm gonna talk to you about my how my court date went like last week or something. It's been 2 weeks, a week and a half. Fuck, I don't fucking know. I can't tell time. But as I will digress, um we're going to talk about how my court date went. First of all, I was fucking insanely nervous. When I was talking about having panic attacks, this is a contributing reason because I got a letter in the mail like 2 weeks before court saying, "Hey, bitch, by the way, you going to court? Fuck you." And I was like, "What the fuck?" But pretty much what happened is I signed up for a thing called ECOT last school year. I didn't like it. It just didn't work well with me. It didn't mesh with me. The only thing that I really liked was this club that I was a member of, and so I would go to this club meeting, and that's it. I did all my schooling elsewhere via online shit, and I'm homeschooled. I've been homeschooled for a majority of my life, so just yeah. But pretty much what ended up happening was this year we tried to unenroll me from ECOT 3 times. And they never fucking did. So I stopped logging in because I'm not going and I don't want to be in your school, bitch. Get that through your fucking head. I'm trying to get out of here. And ultimately what happened was they reported me for truancy. After I'm gonna say I, but really I mean my mom, because I don't fucking do that. But like we called 3 times. We sent emails to them, and the last time we said, "Oh, just don't." They said, "Just don't log in. We will unenroll you." And we thought we had it all fixed out. They were supposed to send us paperwork. Sorry, lipstick. But they were supposed to send us paperwork so that we could get out of this fucking hellhole, but they never did. And ultimately, I had to go to court because of them. I don't, like, fuck, what the fuck? But so we got a lawyer, not a public lawyer, we got our own lawyer because public lawyers don't try. And pretty much, here my court date was, I looked super good though. I wore the top jacket and I wore this jumpsuit. It was fabulous. God, I can't do that today, apparently. But pretty much we went to court and we were there for 2.5 hours. We didn't see anybody for 2.5 hours, except for my lawyer for like the last hour. But we were sitting there. Oh, all of the boys were fucking cute. Why are all of the fucking boys that are at court cute? There was one guy. Okay, so my mom and I decided we were gonna play the game of guess what these people are here for. And I saw this one cute boy who looked like he was kind of upper middle class. I was like, possession. And we overheard him talking to his lawyer, and she was like, so rehab and this and that. I was like, yes, bitch, work. I got it. Hands down. Another bitch I said solicitation, I don't know, but looks like a hoe. Another kid, I also was like, that bitch, definitely speeding ticket. Overheard? Okay, so you gonna have to go back to driver school and... What is this? What is my science in my brain? What is this magic that I know what people are arrested for? This other bitch, I was like, she was wearing a fur coat, and I'm like, girl, We all know that you can't afford that fucking fur coat. Are you here for fucking shoplifting and you gonna wear the coat that you shoplifted back there? For real? Um what the fuck even tangents is this? Um and then finally, uh my lawyer talked to the person who we were supposed to have my court date with, but their trial was going long, so they decided to put us with another person. And they said, after listening to what our stuff was, that they would um, dismiss my case. And so she said that to the like judge that we ended up getting. We were in there for 5 minutes. My case was dismissed, and I was golden. And after that, I went to a restaurant that I can't afford because celebration. I had crab cakes and lobster and filet. I also had other stuff. Ooh, but it was great. It's called Capital Grill. Go there. Go there. Anyway, welcome inside my life a bit more. I don't know what this mess is. I'm going to have a few more messy stories to tell you for the next couple weeks. And ultimately, I can just say XOXO. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I love you all. Bye!